Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the absolute best way to crop shapes in Canva, something that might sound simple but can really unlock a new level of creativity in your designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to crop any shape you want on Canva, even though there isn't a traditional crop shape tool. This method is quick, super effective, and can be applied to all kinds of projects, whether you're making social media graphics, presentations, or invitations. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva.com and either log in or create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look for that Create a Design button in the top right corner. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, instead of choosing a template, we're going to use a custom size because that gives us total control over the dimensions. Type 100 by 50 pixels. Those numbers might seem a little random, but they give us a nice, long, rectangular shape to work with and are easy to multiply or adjust later. Click Create New Design and Canva will open a fresh blank canvas for you. Next, it's time to add your shape. Over on the left, you'll see the Elements tab. Click that and you'll find all kinds of shapes you can use. Pick out the one that works for your project. Maybe you want a simple rectangle, a circle, or something more decorative. Just drag it right onto your canvas and resize it as needed. At this point, you might be tempted to look for a crop tool for shapes, but Canva doesn't offer that option yet. But don't worry, we have an awesome workaround. Here where the trick comes in. To crop your shape, we're going to use the background color as a sort of invisible guide. So click on your blank canvas outside the shape to select the background and then change its color to whatever matches your design. Typically, you might want to choose white or the color you plan to export with. This is important because it's how we'll blend the cropped parts of your shape seamlessly into the background. Now head back to that Elements tab and add a new shape. This can be anything, but for the eraser method to work cleanly, make sure the new shape's color is the exact same as the background. You can use a square, a circle, or even get creative depending on the kind of crop you want. Position this second shape so that it covers the part of the first shape you're looking to remove. Think of it like using a virtual eraser. Anywhere this second shape overlaps, it will obscure the original shape, giving the illusion that you've cropped it. This part is a little like using masking tape when painting. You're blocking out the areas you don't want to see. Take your time adjusting and lining things up. You can always zoom in to get it as precise as you want. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. Canva makes it easy to move shapes around and tweak their sizes until it looks just right. Sometimes you might need to layer a few shapes to get a very specific crop, and that's totally okay. And there you go, you've just learned a clever method to crop shapes in Canva, without needing any special tools or plugins. Save your file, and now you have a custom cropped shape ready to use anywhere in your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share your own Canva tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future design tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.